What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over these laundry baskets that I got from Amazon. Let's go over the Amazon listing really quick. These are the HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry baskets, waterproof, freestanding, laundry hampers, collapsible, clothes hamper with reinforced handles and laundry room, college dorm, bathroom, bedroom, gray, 75-liter X2. These are the #1 bestseller in laundry baskets on Amazon currently. They have different colors. They have gray, which I have here, blue, blue-pink, brown, green, gray-blue, gray-pink, pink, and purple. These are the 75-liter. They also have 88-liter, 100-liter, and 125-liter, which is ginormous. But for the 2-pack that I picked up for the 75-liter, 2-pack of them, originally they were going for $24.99. Currently, they are on sale at 40% off, coming out to $14.99. Not a bad deal at all. All right, and then we took them out of the packaging. All right. Damn. Woo. Yeah, this is it right here. I just collapsed it, as you can see. Something else just fell to the floor. Oh, that was just a coaster. Not a problem, but yeah, this is what they look like, all collapsed. I mean, this thing is really deep. And as I said, this is not a toy. In case you accidentally get like this. Yeah, I mean, you can still breathe in here, but hey, do not attempt. Basically, these are going to be replacing my current laundry baskets that I have, which basically are these. Everyone knows these, right? Yeah, these are the old classic, 1990s, early 2000s Sterilite Ultras. These are 71 liters. So the new ones I got are 75, just slightly bigger, but obviously they're a lot taller. They're easier to, grab with the handles and whatnot, making it more or less like a shopping bag as opposed to this giant, bulky plastic basket. I mean, listen, these baskets get the job done. It's just over time, to be honest with you, these handles break and they snap off. Once you hit into like walls or banisters and stuff like that, over time, the plastic gets very brittle and it will start to crack, and that's about it. This is pretty much my last standing basket that I currently have. Doing laundry with one basket, somewhat not easy, especially if you have multiple people in a household. Yeah, it's definitely going to be difficult. And, finding these, they have them on Walmart, and believe it or not, they are not cheap at all, okay? They are actually more on the expensive side. Getting back to Amazon, looking at the product details, the material of these baskets are polyester. Says freestanding structure. A sturdy metal frame is embedded in the top edges of the HomeHacks hamper basket, so the laundry baskets stand firmly upright even when empty. Now, that's really awesome. And also, too, they are collapsible if you want to basically move them or store them in a closet. Extra large capacity. The laundry hamper measures 15.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 24.4 inches. And that's length times width times height. With 75-liter large capacity, this clothes basket can hold clothes, pillows, baby toys, etc. Perfect choice for campus dorms or family life. It does have a multi-purpose, and that's what I like. This is a multi-purpose basket. And these baskets currently weigh 1.5 pounds. These laundry baskets feature easy to clean. Simply use a wet sponge or cloth to wipe off dirt, mud, or debris. And overall, I think these are a fantastic buy when it comes to a laundry basket or even storage basket for a specific room. All right, let's try to collapse this bad boy. Literally folds like a paper bag from ShopRite, for Christ's sake. Look at that. This is it folded up and then opens right up. Look at this. I feel like I got a heavy-duty paper bag from ShopRite. Like I just bought, I don't know, a bunch of cans from the can sale, and I'm using a giant super deluxe paper bag from ShopRite. That's what, honestly, this opens up and collapses like. Anyway, that's all I got for you in this video today. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will catch you all in the next video. Take care. I'm out.